Good morning, students. Today we are going to take up the second chapter of commerce, that is financing, capital, fixed and working. The scope of the syllabus for this chapter is as follows. Finance, importance for business, sources for different firms. Financial planning, meaning, features, importance. Factors affecting capital structure. Fixed capital, meaning, factors affecting. Working capital, meaning, factors affecting. And finally, fixed capital versus working capital. Today, we are going to take up the first two topics. Financing, importance and sources. Financing itself involves the following activities. Number A, forecasting or estimating the requirement of funds. Number B, raising from different sources to minimize cost of capital. Number C, optimum utilization of funds. Importance of financing may be enumerated as follows. If a firm has been properly financed, it can meet its liabilities in time and thereby raise its creditworthiness. Number two, with proper financing, the firm can take advantage of business opportunities. Number three, the firm can carry on its business without interruption if it has proper financing. Number four, the firm can improve its efficiency of operation as it can replace its assets in time with proper finance. Number five, the firm can face recession, trade cycles and other crises more easily with adequate finance. Next, sources. Requirements of finance differs according to the nature and the type of business. It may be discussed under three broad categories by classifying them into three different categories of business organizations actually. Number one, sole trader. A sole trader usually runs business on small scale and may collect finance from different sources like from his own source, from family members, from friends and relatives of owner, loans from commercial and cooperative banks, trade credit from creditors, investment of part of the profit earned, that is plowing back of profits. In case of a partnership firm, the sources may be almost similar to that of sole trader, that is capital contributed by partners, loans from partners, loans from friends and other acquaintances, loans from commercial banks and cooperative banks, trade credit from creditors, investment of part of the profit earned, which may also be in form of plowing back of profits. In case of a joint stock company which carries out its operation in a larger scale, the capital sources are classified into two broad categories: owned funds and borrowed funds. Owned funds may be collected from shares and retained earnings, while borrowed funds may be collected from debentures, loans from financial institutions, loans from commercial banks, public deposits, trade credit, customer advances, factoring and installment credit. We move to the next part, that is financial planning. What is financial planning? It is the process of estimating the fund requirements of a business and specifying the sources of funds. Next, features of financial planning. Number one, it must be based on organizational objectives. Financial planning must be designed to achieve the financial objectives of the organization. Number 2, simplicity. Financial plan should be simple and must avoid unnecessary complications and confusions. Number 3, flexibility. Financial plan should be flexible so that it works well even in the changing business environment. Number 4, economical. The cost of raising various types of funds should be minimum. Number 5, optimum utilization of the funds. Funds should not only be adequate but should be productively employed, which will reduce wastage of funds and avoid idle capacity. Provision for contingencies. Financial plans must be developed for different future environmental scenarios. Next, importance of financial planning. Number 1, sound financial management. In financial planning, careful estimates of present and future requirements are made, whereby situations of shortage or surplus of funds can be avoided. Number 2, effective utilization of funds. In financial planning, funds are allocated for various projects depending on the importance and priority of the project, thereby reducing wastage of capital. Number 4, serves as a guide. Financial planning serves as a good guide in developing balanced capital structure using judicious debt equity mix which maximizes return. Number 4, effective control. Financial planning helps to exercise proper control on financial activities by keeping the utilization of the funds within the limits set. And number 5, finally, coordination. Financial planning provides for methods, procedures, policies which help in coordinating various departments. I hope you have understood this particular portion. If you have any question, you may put that in the comment box of this video.